Most people believe powerful AI coding tools require expensive subscriptions and API costs. But that's changing fast. Today, some platforms already combine enterprise-grade AI with built-in development environments completely free. That means students, freelancers, and startup founders can build real apps without paying monthly fees. In this video, we'll explore how the zero-cost AI stack works and why it's becoming a game-changer for modern developers. A $20 AI subscription may sound affordable at first, but serious development quickly becomes expensive because every prompt, test, and debugging session consumes API credits. Developers end up thinking more about token usage than creativity. That pressure slows innovation and reduces experimentation. Instead of freely testing ideas, builders become focused on managing costs. And that's one of the biggest problems with traditional AI workflows. Many developers experience the frustration of hitting API rate limits during important work sessions. You're fully focused, the project is moving smoothly, and suddenly everything stops because usage limits are reached. This breaks momentum completely. In long-term development, creative flow matters a lot. Constant interruptions waste time and energy. A better AI workflow should feel smooth and continuous, instead of restricted by waiting periods and limits. Most AI chat interfaces only generate code snippets. After that, developers still need to manage hosting, databases, deployment, authentication, and integrations manually. This creates a huge gap between generated code and a real working product. That's why many projects fail before launch. Modern developers now prefer integrated AI environments, where coding, infrastructure, and deployment already work together in one place. AI can generate code quickly, but developers often spend most of their time handling servers, databases, deployment issues, and cloud infrastructure. Instead of building products, they become stuck fixing technical setup problems. Too many disconnected tools also make systems fragile. One broken integration can stop the entire workflow. The goal should be simplicity, reducing infrastructure complexity so developers can focus on innovation and user experience. The future of AI development is moving toward integrated environments. Instead of forcing chatbots to behave like full development platforms, modern tools already combine AI with hosting, databases, deployment, and authentication. This reduces friction dramatically. The AI understands the entire project structure and helps developers build faster. Success in the future won't only depend on coding skills, it will depend on how efficiently people use intelligent development systems. Base 44 is a platform designed around this new workflow. It combines AI coding assistance with a professional development environment in one place. The setup is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require complex API configuration. Developers can move from idea to working product very quickly. For students, freelancers, and indie founders, this speed becomes extremely valuable because products can be built and tested much faster. One major advantage of Base 44 is its native Claude integration. Instead of copy-pasting prompts into a chatbot, the AI works directly inside the development environment. It understands the project structure, dependencies, and code-base context. This produces smarter and more accurate outputs. Developers can describe features naturally, and the AI helps implement them instantly. The experience feels more like working with a coding partner than using a normal chatbot. Traditional development usually requires separate tools for hosting, authentication, databases, and deployment. Base 44 combines these systems together into one platform. Hosting is built in, databases can be created quickly, and deployment becomes much easier. This removes a huge amount of technical complexity. Beginners especially benefit, because infrastructure setup is often the biggest obstacle preventing product launches. Traditional AI workflows only provide code generation, while everything else requires outside services and integrations. Integrated AI environments simplify this process by combining infrastructure and intelligence together. That means fewer tools, fewer setup issues, and fewer points of failure. Developers can stay focused in one workflow instead of constantly switching between platforms. This improves productivity and makes development much smoother. The setup process is surprisingly simple. First, create an account and open a new workspace. Then describe your project needs, and the platform helps generate the structure automatically. Claude assists directly inside the environment while building features and interfaces. Finally, deployment can happen with just a few clicks. Compared to traditional development, this process feels much faster and more beginner-friendly. Of course, every free platform has limitations. Free tiers are mainly designed for MVPs, testing, and early-stage projects, rather than massive applications. Storage, bandwidth, and AI usage will still have boundaries. But for most developers, that's perfectly fine in the beginning. The main goal early on is validating ideas quickly, without spending large amounts of money. Developers should only upgrade when their products begin showing real value. If an app starts generating revenue, attracting heavy traffic, or requiring enterprise-level support, then paid infrastructure becomes a smart investment. The key mindset is simple: Avoid spending money too early. Use free AI systems to validate ideas first, then scale once growth becomes real. To get better results with AI development, use smaller modular prompts instead of giant requests. Keep project context organized and test features frequently with live previews. Avoid wasting time rebuilding common systems like authentication when templates already exist. The best AI developers are not always the strongest coders. They are the people who know how to collaborate efficiently with intelligent tools. The biggest takeaway from this video is that AI development is evolving rapidly. Modern platforms now combine coding, infrastructure, deployment, and automation into unified environments. This lowers barriers for creators, freelancers, students, and startup founders worldwide. Developers who learn these workflows early will have a huge advantage in building future SaaS products, AI tools, and online businesses. Most AI platforms spend a lot of time talking about features, but the best platforms actually demonstrate value instantly. This slide highlights the power of a zero-friction free tier. Instead of forcing users into expensive subscriptions immediately, the platform allows developers to prototype real applications at zero cost. Hosting, setup, and infrastructure are already included, which removes major barriers for beginners. This approach is important because developers should first test ideas and validate products before worrying about scaling costs. The biggest advantage here is speed. Builders can immediately focus on creating apps instead of wasting time on complicated configuration. One of the most frustrating parts of traditional AI tools is token anxiety. Developers constantly worry about limits, API credits, and upgrade warnings. That pressure slows experimentation and creativity. This platform changes the experience completely by allowing developers to work more freely inside a developer-focused environment. Instead of using AI only for advice or text generation, the AI becomes a real engineering assistant. That freedom encourages faster iteration, more testing, and better products overall. Traditional software platforms often require long onboarding processes, payment setup, and technical configuration before you can even begin. Here, the experience is very different. Users can quickly enter a full development workspace with ready-to-use infrastructure already configured. Project areas, app creation tools, and deployment systems are available immediately. This saves a huge amount of setup time and allows developers to move directly into building products. This slide demonstrates how I can rapidly create business tools from simple prompts. In this example, the AI builds a customer inquiry system capable of replying instantly and storing submitted user data securely. The impressive part is that the AI handles both front-end and back-end logic automatically. Instead of manually coding everything, developers can describe requirements naturally and let the platform generate working software much faster. The real magic happens when prompts turn into deployable applications automatically. This slide shows the build process happening live, including database setup, front-end generation, and deployment. Traditionally, these steps would require multiple separate tools and technical expertise, but integrated AI environments simplify everything into one workflow. Developers can focus more on business ideas and user experience while the platform handles infrastructure automatically. A normal AI chatbot mainly provides text output and code snippets, but true development platforms go much further by combining AI intelligence with live execution environments. Instead of copying and pasting code manually, developers can generate complete working applications. Hosting, databases, authentication, and routing are already integrated. This dramatically improves productivity and reduces development friction. Modern AI platforms are no longer limited to simple scripts or one-page tools. Developers can now create complete multi-page applications using natural language instructions. This example demonstrates a restaurant application with menus, booking systems, mobile responsiveness, and automated confirmations. The AI helps generate the entire architecture, while developers focus mainly on the product vision and user experience. Traditional development often requires connecting domains, hosting providers, databases, APIs, and multiple third-party services manually. This process can become complicated very quickly. Integrated platforms simplify the experience by automatically handling hosting, databases, and deployment together. Developers no longer need to spend days wiring infrastructure manually. Instead, they can focus almost entirely on product functionality and business logic. This slide introduces always-on AI automation systems. Instead of only generating code, the AI can operate continuously in the background to support businesses automatically. In this example, the assistant receives customer messages, understands context, and generates helpful responses without human involvement. These kinds of automations can provide massive business value while reducing manual workload significantly. AI systems become much more powerful when they can make decisions based on context. This workflow demonstrates how incoming messages are analyzed and routed intelligently. Standard questions receive automatic replies, complaints trigger apology workflows, and complex cases escalate to human support. This type of intelligent routing normally requires expensive APIs and automation tools, but integrated platforms simplify the process dramatically. One of the most important ideas in this presentation is the difference between isolated AI access and fully assembled platforms. Basic API access gives developers only the brain, meaning raw intelligence. But developers still need to build the body, including infrastructure and execution systems. Integrated environments combine both together. This allows builders to spend less time managing technology and more time focusing on creativity, products, and business growth. This slide highlights an important startup principle: validate first, scale later. Developers can use free environments to test risky ideas without financial pressure. They can launch MVPs, collect feedback, and measure market demand before investing heavily into infrastructure. This dramatically reduces startup risk. Instead of spending money up front, creators only scale once real growth begins. The platform combines multiple important systems into one environment. Developers gain access to powerful Claude models alongside built-in hosting, databases, authentication, and API routing. Rapid prototyping becomes much easier because infrastructure already exists from day one. This integrated approach allows developers to move from idea to working product much faster than traditional development workflows. This slide focuses on practical action steps. First, developers should access the environment and test simple micro tools. Then they can push the platform further by experimenting with multi-page applications and advanced automation systems. The goal is to compare AI-assisted workflows against traditional manual coding. Most developers quickly realize how much time and complexity integrated AI platforms eliminate.